Hi, my name is Brittany Pascal. I'm a senior at the University of Kansas, majoring in psychology. This past summer, I've had the opportunity to intern at the Douglas County District Attorney's Office. I learned about this internship through a really good family friend who is a senior assistant district attorney in the office. I was actually their first trial run with an intern who wasn't actually in law school. So because of this, there wasn't necessarily an application to fill out. I just met with my supervisor and brainstormed some ideas for my position because I actually did something very similar before in Sedgwick County. So I just had to do an interview with my supervisor and pass a background check. My main responsibility at the office is to make sure that the file room is in check. This means putting away files back onto the shelf where they're stored, filing papers inside of the files. I also help out with the front desk fairly often. And more recently, I've been helping attorneys prep for trials. I would have to say that my biggest accomplishment so far in the office has actually been the past couple of weeks. We've had a murder trial going on. This murder trial has been very taxing on everyone involved. It involves a 9-month-old baby who was killed at daycare. There's been a lot of media reports surrounding this case. So my job with this case was to go through all the evidence and make sure we had it all lined up. I also made a spreadsheet of every single piece of evidence that was used in trial. So that was really cool to see my work used in trial. But the most rewarding part was when the verdict came back guilty of murder in the second degree. So it was really cool that I got to help with that. And I would have to say that the best part of my internship has definitely been the people that I work with. Everyone has been so great and so helpful. There's such an open line of communication that whenever I need help with something, there's always someone there to answer my question, and everyone's so nice about it. So I feel like that's a great opportunity to have because I feel like sometimes when you're an intern, you have to tiptoe around and kind of act like you know what you're doing, but here it's totally okay to ask questions. The best advice I would give to a KU student who wants to do an internship is definitely to intern basically every opportunity, like do an internship every single opportunity you have. I haven't always wanted to be an attorney, but after having this experience and my past experience at Sedgwick County, it has definitely solidified helped me solidify what I want to do after graduating from KU, which is go to law school. I feel like this is so important because not only do you find things that you enjoy, but most importantly, you find things that you don't enjoy. And I feel like college is really the only time that you're able to change your career path. It's really difficult once you graduate from college. It's really hard to go back. It's expensive. So yeah, I feel like definitely just having different experiences, especially if you're not sure about the specific job, that's really important.